Hey YouTube, Mark with Ultimate RC. A run here during Snowmageddon. Obviously an evening run, never done this before with this truck. And we're in the middle of a blizzard warning. Likely to have over a foot of snow after all this storm is said and done, on top of the 3 inches that fell the night before. And a couple inches before that. So my running of RC cars and my planned track in my backyard is kaput. So I just wanted to get this out, kind of see the lights at night. Have it in 50% power right now. We'll kick it up a little bit. The other thing is I had this battery, it didn't completely discharge it, so I thought, no, what the heck, I'm gonna run it. We'll see if this video even records. Nope. So the thing with doing things in the dark, you don't see what switches you're hitting. I just put that in reverse and put that back. That's what we wanted to hit. There we go. Alright, 100%. This is another really heavy, wet, packing type of snow. Only we're approaching a foot of it here. Driveway was clear just a couple hours ago, and this is what I already got. But found out that this truck runs well if it's got in deep snow, if it's got a hard surface underneath because of the narrow tires. But if you try to put in a lot of fluff, it will just sink. But for something like this, it is pretty good at it. So I thought I would get the battery discharged, because who knows when I'll be able to run again. It's supposed to be Arctic blast for the next week, highs in the single digits. Lows below zero. LiPo batteries don't really function well at all and that kind of stuff. So again, YouTube, appreciate you checking out the channel. Like and subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and appreciate the support. Mark with Ultimate RC. Got a little more battery juice left. Thought I'd run it. Nope, here comes the plow. Alright, YouTube. Again, if you do have the opportunity to get this truck, for stuff like this, I highly recommend it. Works real well. Again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Looks like I'm out of juice. Mark with Ultimate RC.